When you have admin access into Canvas, it also gives you the ability to have access to create a blueprint course. Now, I'm going to show you how this works and then explain what the purpose of a blueprint course is. So let's say that I want to make this course so that it pushes automatically into several other people's courses because I want all the training to be consistent from school to school. That's where a blueprint course becomes really handy because I can go through here, I can go to my settings, and all I do is check a box under the course details and it becomes a blueprint course. Now, you cannot use a course that has students as a blueprint course. Also, this is not a great idea for classroom teachers because all of their courses generally have students in them, and so this also would not be a great way to go about enabling content. Really, a blueprint course is there for training and development, or PD. It's not the best thing for K-12 students. So I know some people were thinking, oh, we could use that and just help teachers out and push content into their courses. We have the commons for that. We can share even from user to user. So we have other ways to get content into courses that allows teachers to have flexibility. But also, it's one of those things that classroom to classroom may look slightly different than when we're talking about training and development. They're just kind of two separate things. Now, I have a few options too. I can keep things locked as far as content, points, due dates, any of these things. Now, the things that I find helpful is to lock the content. And what that means is if I create something as a district user that I need training to be done on, that means that nobody can go in there and edit that content to get rid of it. It's going to be there. Now, they can add more things into a module or something like that, but they can't take it out completely. So I'm just going to go through here and save or update this course. And now you'll see a different icon too within the course. Now I have this blue bar kind of there in a box. And I have a place where I can associate courses. So what I do is I go through there and start typing in a course title, and it allows me to associate that course with a blueprint course. Now, once that's done, whenever I hit the sync button, whatever content I have in my blueprint course is immediately imported into the course that it's associated with. So this is where if you're doing training and PD at school sites where they need to be the same, but you have different people running it, this is a great way to do that. But well, like I said, I can't reiterate this enough. This really doesn't work great for K-12 students because most courses are synced with PowerSchool, so they have students. And then for another, we already have ways to share content so that teachers can pull things in. I know for instructional technology, we use this for our digital competencies training that we had several years ago, and it worked out great because we could ensure that everybody across the district had the same access to training, and we didn't have to worry about recreating it for each person. So that's really how you can go about using a blueprint course. But let me go ahead and show you what a locked feature looks like because we talked about that. Now I have this option. Let's say I want to lock this content. You can no longer get rid of that within the module or the test discussion one. Outside of that, once I sync content over, the person that actually owns the course can remove it if it's not locked. So that's going to be up to whoever creates the PD of whether they want to do that. Now, this doesn't apply if you're just wanting to deliver PD at a district level to users. This is only if you need multiple courses that have the same information going out to a lot of people. So I know it can be a little bit confusing on the reason why we would do this, but this works out great for PD, but there are some limitations behind it too. If you need help with this, just let me know because it's not complicated, but you need to know up front what to expect out of it.